This is Lenny Farlee, Purdue University Extension Forester. Now let's ID that tree. In this edition of ID That Tree, we're going to introduce you to a very attractive native vining plant that produces these beautiful white clusters of flowers late into the summer season. And so this is getting into the third week of August, and what we have here is Virgin's Bower. And Virgin's Bower is a native clematis, Clematis virginiana, and produces some really wonderful flower displays along with the beautiful vining habit that it has. Here it's climbing along the ground, but as we'll show you, it can go up vegetation as well as trellises for landscaping purposes and cover quite a bit of area. And of course we get these beautiful blooms late in the season. 4 petals, white in clusters. This plant has opposite leaf arrangement, compound leaves with 3 leaflets, and very importantly for identification from an invasive look-alike, we have toothed margins, roughly toothed margins on those leaflets. And so the opposite arrangement, 3 leaflets on the compound leaves, and then toothed margins. And this often climbs by actually using the leaves and the stems to twine and climb its way up the structures that it's near. So now, as I mentioned, there is a non-native invasive look-alike, and that is sweet autumn clematis, also sold ornamentally as one of the clematises for decoration purposes, landscaping, but really should be avoided and selected for this native Virgin's Bower, Clematis virginiana. So how do we tell them apart? Well, the invasive, unlike our native, does not have toothed margins on the leaves. And so if you look at those compound leaves, you're going to be looking for those toothed margins to tell you that you have our native Virgin's Bower clematis.